Have you ever wondered how to achieve irresistibly healthy, soft, and beautiful hands and feet? Well, then you've clicked the right video. Welcome to our channel, and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. Our hands and feet are unsung heroes, enduring daily wear and tear. Taking care of them goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's a commitment to overall well-being. In this video, we'll talk about how to achieve and maintain healthy, soft, and beautiful hands and feet. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Cleansing. Begin your journey to softness by keeping your hands and feet clean. Use a mild, hydrating cleanser to gently wash away impurities without stripping away the natural oils by paying attention to the areas between fingers and toes. Gently scrub under your nails using a nail brush. Aim to cleanse regularly, especially after exposure to dirt or harsh chemicals. This helps remove dirt and debris effectively. Weekly exfoliation. To unveil the true softness beneath, exfoliation is key. Invest in a gentle scrub to slough off dead skin cells, promoting regeneration. Pay special attention to areas prone to dryness, such as heels and the back of your hands. This step aids in better absorption of subsequent skincare products. Daily moisturization. Hydration is the secret weapon for softness. Choose a rich, nourishing moisturizer containing ingredients like shea butter or glycerin. Apply generously to your hands and feet, focusing on rough areas such as heels and knuckles after bathing and after washing your hands. Don't forget to moisturize before bedtime for an overnight hydration boost. Massage and exercise. Treat your hands and feet to a relaxing massage or simple exercises to enhance blood circulation. This not only relieves tension, but also promotes nutrient distribution, contributing to overall skin health. Consider using a hydrating lotion during your massage for added benefits. Nails care. Soft hands deserve well-groomed nails. Regularly trim your nails using sanitized nail clippers and file them to achieve the desired shape. Ensure you trim your nails correctly, not too short and not too long. Invest in quality nail clippers. Gently push back cuticles and moisturize the nail bed to prevent dryness and brittleness. Apply cuticle oil around your nails at least once a week, as it will saturate the skin around the nail and moisturize it. Avoid biting your nails or picking at cuticles to keep away bacteria and prevent infections. Protect your hands and feet. When doing chores or using chemicals for a while, wear gloves for your hands and socks for your feet. It prevents damage, dryness, and skin irritation. During cold weather, wear gloves to prevent dryness. And in the scorching sun, apply sunscreen to protect against harmful UV rays. Reapply as needed, especially if you're spending extended periods outdoors. Manage sweat and odor. Combat sweaty palms and feet by using antiperspirants or talcum powder. This not only keeps you feeling fresh, but also prevents unpleasant odors. Choose moisture wicking socks. Opt for socks made from moisture wicking materials. This helps keep your feet dry by drawing moisture away, reducing the risk of fungal infections. Wear comfortable footwear. Select shoes that give your feet good support, cushioning, and enough room for your heels. Shoes that don't fit well can cause discomfort, blisters, and even bigger issues like bunions or corns. Prioritize comfort without compromising on fashion. Rotate shoes. Avoid wearing the same pair of shoes every day. Rotating your footwear allows them to air out and minimizes the risk of bacterial growth. Inspect your hands and feet regularly. Regularly inspecting your hands and feet is a proactive step towards maintaining their health. Check for any changes in skin texture, color, or the presence of unusual bumps or spots. Ensure your nails are clean and free from discoloration. This routine examination allows for early detection of potential issues, promoting overall hand and foot well-being. Stay hydrated. Make sure to drink enough water every day. Hydration is a big deal for healthy skin, including your hands and feet. When your skin is well hydrated, it's less likely to get dry or crack. So sip on that water and keep your skin happy. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember, these simple tips can transform the health and beauty of your hands and feet. Embrace these habits and let your hands and feet radiate softness and beauty. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment and let us know which topic you'd like to see in the next video. See you in the next video.